What's going on, guys? Welcome. Um, Doing a quick live stream here. Probably do about an hour. Going to be breaking down y'all's stock, and then we'll be going from there. So I'm gonna wait for everyone to get in here, though. So let's give it a couple minutes. Let's wait till everyone gets in here, and then we'll start breaking down some of your guys' stocks. But welcome, guys. How's your day? How's y'all's week been? Let me know in the chat. Appreciate everyone tuning in, though. And then we'll start breaking down your guys' stocks very shortly here. So we're gonna go down the NASDAQ. We're gonna do the SPY. We're gonna do Bitcoin. We're gonna be basically doing everything. So we'll be breaking down pretty much everything, guys. Bitcoin, Neo, all of that. So just stay tuned. Mr. North said, "Are you still holding Mara?" Yes, I am, man. It's a long-term hold, so I am still holding Mara. How about you? Are you still in it? So, guys, this is the NASDAQ. This is tech. What happened today? So basically, we had a sell-off day. Now, this doesn't look alarming to me whatsoever. This just looks like a dip buy. Overall, this is like a big dip buy. Now, we did touch this level right here earlier in parts of the day. Then we came screaming back. So we did end up selling off a little bit more. But I'm completely fine on this as the dip buy. I'm in Apple. I actually had to average down. So I do expect Apple to get a reversal here. Appreciate everyone tuning in, guys. As y'all are just coming in, let me know what you took this week, what plays you're looking at for next week. Just let me know, guys. And then I'll start breaking down your guys' stock in a second. I'm just going to go over my overall list first, and then we'll tune it to you guys. So SPY, same scenario. Held this support right here. We're really on the edge, so I am expecting a green day on Tuesday. Remember, guys, it is a short week. Monday we have off, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we are trading. Appreciate everyone tuning in. If you're tuning in, make sure to hit that like button, guys. Make sure to hit that like button for me. Hello, I got hammered with Mara. Wow, man, I'm sorry to hear that. I know it took a beating, but I'd play it for long term, definitely. Can you check Boeing? Yes, I will check Boeing. Don't you worry, guys. I'll go over your stocks. I'm just waiting for everyone to tune in, giving everyone a little time to tune in. Guys, how many of you from my Discord server? If you haven't joined my Discord server, link in description below. We had a lot of members join today, 683 total. And if you want to join my membership program, it's kind of like this live stream I'm doing right now. You get your own private chat, you get my own plays, and then they call out stocks and I break it down for them. So it's kind of like this. So if you enjoy these type of live streams, I do this every single night before market open. So join my free Discord, then you can join my membership program. Look at the details how to join that, or DM me. But let's get right into this, guys. Let's break down Neo. So what did Neo do today? We had that pullback, right? So I talked about this. I said, hey, it looks like that pullback's coming, and it happened. We slowly bled off. Then today was a red day. And like PJ just said, what's up, man? It said it broke the support levels. So yes, I was looking at the support level at $57. I was looking for this to hold, and it didn't. So I think Neo's heading back down to $53, guys. I think we'll most likely be heading back down to $53? Yeah. So I think we'll be heading down to $53 on Neo if we don't start reversing here. We got underneath my support. That's the level I wanted to hold. Didn't hold it, so we'll be looking at that. Boeing, sure. Boeing's kind of been annoying lately. I'm in it as well. I'm in it more so long term, but it's been in this range right here. So we pushed up, rejected, found buyers, pushed up, rejected, and probably coming back down to 201. So as long as 201 holds, we'll be completely fine on Boeing. Wouldn't want to worry. I wouldn't worry at all on Boeing, definitely. Hey guys, tuning in. Thank you for being here. Go ahead and hit that like button for me. Thank you. It really truly means a lot to me. And like I said, I'll break down your tickers for you. TTCF, sure. TTCF. So, what happened today? We've been pushing up. We had an amazing week this week. We pushed up, then just sold off aggressively today. I'd be a buyer right here. As long as it can hold, let's see. As long as it can hold 2470, it'll do fine. Now, this one, it looks strong still. So this was a resistance, and now most likely it's going to act as a support. So I look for buyers right here at 2470. Yeah, I'm gonna go over your stocks, guys. Dario said, "Are you doing Discord calls too?" I didn't see any today. Dario, no, I'm not. I just do. The member live streams are Sunday through Thursday, whenever market's open, and the market's not open tomorrow. I'm just doing this for YouTube. So Dario's actually part of the membership, guys. If you want these private live streams like I'm doing right now, which are private, I have a membership group. Join my free Discord server, and then you can find the directions how to do that. And he was referring to call outs. They normally call out stocks like you guys are, and I normally break them down every single night. So if you want to be a part of that, I also do my plays as well. So someone said Bitcoin is dipping. Bitcoin. Oops, wrong one. BTC USD. Let's see. Bitcoin. Okay, let's look at the picture for Bitcoin. Bitcoin pushed up today. Tried to push all the way up to this resistance line. What happened? Got rejected. Now it's getting rejected by this resistance. Though this isn't alarming. Even if it falls down to this level at 34,000, wouldn't be worried at all. This might just be a quick pause, and I think we may be pushing up some more on Bitcoin. So I'm not worried at Bitcoin whatsoever. CCIV. CCIV. I wouldn't touch this one, guys. I know a lot of people, they played this today, but this got halted like I think 2 times today. I would not touch this one, guys, at all. This one is just a bunch of news and hype around it, so I'd be very, very careful with this one. I know I charted this one out previously, but this has hype around it, so no technical analysis is going to be able to predict this one. So guys, I'd be very, very careful with this. So if I played this, guys, I would have a really tight stop loss. That's just my personal opinion. If I would have got in on this one, then my stop loss would be super, super tight. And then it's really scary when these things get halted, because you don't know when they're going to unfreeze, right? So you don't want your money tied up into something that is just halted and you can't even get it out. So that's just the fact of that. Just, I don't like that. Bingo. Bingo, it pushed up today. Once again, we tried to push up all the way to, what was this, 948? We got rejected, and then we found some buyers. So Bingo actually looks pretty healthy right now. Now, I wouldn't want to get below 765. If it gets below 765, then it's most likely coming back down to 653. Fuel cell. Guys, be patient. I'll get to your stocks. Don't worry. I'll get to it. So, fuel cell, what happened? Pushed up. Just instantly got rejected. Wouldn't touch fuel cell to $15. That's where I have a support. Got rejected by this resistance here at 1633. So, I'd be a buyer here at 1506, though. That's a strong support area. I'd be looking to go long. Plug actually got underneath this resistance right here, or this support, now acted as a resistance. I would probably be a buyer here on Plug at 53.86. Yeah. 53.86 was where I'd buy Plug at. Dario, I'll do the ARC funds towards the end because there are a lot of them. So don't worry, man, I'll get them. A lot of people are calling out Neo, so if you're tuning in because of Neo, I'll go ahead and break that down for you guys. So, what happened with Neo today? I made a video about this one. So if you're from the Neo video, if you're a new subscriber, welcome, guys. Thank you for being here. But Neo, what happened today? I mean, I talked about this, that it was having a sell off, and today it aggressively sold off. It tried to hold support here at $57. It didn't, so I think we're heading $53. Don't worry, Mary, I got you next. Don't worry. So Neo, it fell below support here at $59, came to the support at $57. We tried to push up the second half of the day, but everything just started selling off at the end of the day. So I think that 53 mark is coming for Neo. I really do. So I think Neo's a buy at $53. That's where it looks like heading to. I've been talking about this all week. People have been calling me crazy. In my comments, they said, it's not going, below $62. There's no way. And then, I mean, guys, you can't get emotionally attached to a ticker. I saw this coming. I've been saying it all week, and it did that. So I think still it's heading to $53. But that just goes to show you shouldn't get emotionally attached to a ticker. If the charts are telling you that's coming down, then it's most likely coming down. Price prediction on Neo, I think it's heading to $53 before it starts going up again. That's just my prediction. That's where I think it's heading. Check. Guys, if I skip over your ticker, I'm sorry. I'll try to. There's a lot of comments coming in. I'll try to get all of them. But if I do skip over it, join my Discord, link in the description below. And then I have a membership program where I go live with them every single night like this before market open. And then I do this every night for them. So I break down the stocks like this. It's a more personal group. It's a private chat. They get to know my plays, the plays I take. So if you want to join that membership, click the link in the description below, join my free Discord, and then you can join the membership after you join my Discord. So check. It's holding the support here at 163. As long as it can hold 163, we'll be fine on check. We have a resistance here though at 190. So if we get above that, we will be bullish. I'm scrolling up, guys. What's a good entry point on Bitcoin? I got you, PJ. Good entry point on Bitcoin. This one's tough, PJ. Either above this yellow line right here at 36,877, or wait for the dip buy here at 34,500. Acer. Mellow. What's up? Hey, don't worry. I've been seeing your comments. I actually just made a Tesla video. It's coming out tomorrow for you, but I will break down Tesla. Thank you for being a supporter. Appreciate it. But just to let you know, I did make a Tesla video, and it is coming out tomorrow for you. So on a Saturday, so you can relax. Maybe you had a long week at work, and then that video will be out there for you to watch. So ACER, this one looks like it had some news up on it. We found sellers up here, got instantly rejected. If I look for the dip buy here, it would be at 358, but I'd really keep it tight right here. I have my stop loss right here at 350, because if it gets below 350, I wouldn't be a buyer to 295. Like I said, guys, I'll try to get to all of your stocks, but if I skip over it, it's not it's not intentionally. It's because I have so many that people are coming in. LZR laser. What's happening? It's really just going horizontal. So I would have bought here at $30. I think someone asked me. Yeah, someone actually asked me this in my membership program. Let me actually go back down to this. So let's see. So someone's been calling this out, I think. Let's see. Where is it at? I think it was actually up here the other night before. Give me 1 second. Well, anyway, someone's been calling it out in my membership program, where I do live streams like this for them. But I told them yesterday that I think once it got below here, it's coming back down to $30. And it's came back down to $30. So I'd be a buyer right now, and I'd buy it and then sell it at resistance at 35.59, or I'd play the breakout. But I called this one as well to one of my members in my membership group. Told them, hey, if it breaks below here, then it's most likely heading back down to $30. And guess what happened? It head back down to $30, and that's where I buy it. I buy right at support, guys. That's my strategy. Buy at support, sell at resistance, or I play the breakout. Like I said, guys, appreciate everyone new tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate all of the support. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for being here. Really appreciate it. If y'all hit the thumbs up for me, it really means a lot. And thank you for being here. So, SENS sins. We pushed up today. We gapped up, bounced sellers, and just sold off for the rest of the day. We have a strong support here at 150. If it gets below 150, then I wouldn't touch it until 120 again. Cap. Oops, wrong one. There you go. The answer to your question, whichever one pulls back first. Cap, this one, let's see, I haven't actually broke down this one yet, so y'all get a live technical analysis with me. So this is a strong support. Look how many times it hit it, guys. And then we have a strong resistance right here. So right now it's just horizontal. I'd buy right here and either play the breakout or sell at resistance. Space. SPCE. So what's happening right now? It gapped up. We found sellers right here, right at my magical yellow line. We found sellers and then just got rejected. So wouldn't touch space till 29.17. But like I said, guys, it hit my magical yellow line and then it just fell down. So not a buyer for 29.17. I don't understand why GameStop is up so high for the 3 days and coming up after close again. A lot of hype around it. Tesla, yes, I would do Tesla, guys. Where is it at on my watch list? Right here. Tesla, made a video about this that's coming out tomorrow. I talked about if it, as long as it holds 815, it'll be fine. If it doesn't, then it's most likely coming back down to 754. So it really needs to hold 815. If not, it's coming down to 754, and that's where I'd like the dip buy at. But if it bounces, then it can continue its uptrend. Can you take a look at APXT? Sure. If you're here for free, hit that like button for the man. Thanks, Brian. Thanks for that, man. Definitely. I'm here to help you guys. Here to help break down the charts for you. Just be patient with me, guys. I'm going to try to get most of these done for you. So what happened today? We just gapped down. So this one, APXT, is going to be a lot of hype on it with the merger. I think it's doing a point, right, if I'm not mistaken. So I'd be careful with this one. I would probably wait till it gets down to $15. It's getting rejected, so $15 is where I think it'd fall back down to. And you're asking where I see it going till the merger. Well, if it keeps getting rejected by 1728, it's definitely coming down to 1509. Definitely. Mello, no problem. Thank you for being here. Thank you for just commenting on every single video. It's truly appreciated. You are the reason why I'm here, guys. Help you out and help you get educated about stocks and just help you grow your account. PACB. So what happened with this one? We pushed up, we found sellers, and now we're kind of get rejected. Same scenario like this. I buy at support, so it's in this middle territory where I do not like. I don't like getting in this. I don't like buying in the middle. So I'm gonna either wait for it to pull back at 34.44, or I'll wait for it to break above the resistance. So that's my opinion on this one. NNDM. This one I'm actually holding long term. So this one, even though it got below support here at 1046, I think the breakout's about to happen on this one. Notice it's getting really tight up here, so I do expect the breakout. If not, then it's heading back down to here. I have to say thank you. Neo predictions on point. Wait, no problem, man. Thoughts on NGA? Welcome to everyone that's tuning in, guys. Don't worry, I'll try to get through all of your stocks. NGA, let's draw another level right here. So we have another level right here. Notice that we got rejected right here, so it's a resistance, and now it's holding as a support. So if we're going to hold this area, we need to hold it at 33.40. If not, I'll be a buyer back here at 30.49. But we've had this aggressive push up, so this sell off, if you want to call it that, pullback is just normal. So I wouldn't be too scared about this one. BFT. So BFT, what happened? It pushed up to my resistance today, came back down, got below support, but came back up, and then where did it bounce at? Right at support, holding above 1544. As long as it can hold above 1544, we would be doing completely fine on this one. Resistance is at 1610. FRSX, wow, amazing day, had the breakout day. Now, it is kind of getting this pullback, but this is just normal. Even though it got below support, I still wouldn't be worried about this one. I still think this one's rocking and rolling as long as we stay above 790. Gosh, I wish I could just look at the graph and analyze in a second like you. So talented. Thank you. I appreciate all the comments. Thank you, Frank. Thank you for the kind comments, guys. I appreciate everyone being here. I did do a fuel sale, by the way, guys. I did it in the beginning, but I'll do it again for all the new people that are tuning in. Fuel cell, I said we got rejected here today at the resistance. We came down. We did find support right here. We did shoot back up, but we still are getting rejected, so I wouldn't be a buyer to $15. That's where I think it's heading. That's where I think it's heading at $15. Shake Shack. Okay. Oops. Shake Shack. Is this it? Shake Shack. What happened today? Well, Thursday we pushed up. We got above support, but today we got rejected. We pulled down, and now we're kind of in the middle. I still think this one's heading to 107, so I wouldn't touch this one till 107, but it's had this amazing rally. So this pullback is nothing, man. So I wouldn't be too worried about this. So 107 is the support. Guys, if you're just tuning in, I'd like to remind you that in my description, I have a free Discord server. If you want to continue the conversation after I end the stream, join that. And then I also have a membership program where I go live with them every single night before market open. So 5 times a week, just like this I'm doing for you guys right now. I break out the stocks just like them. They have their own little call out section, kind of like what y'all are doing. They get the private chat and they get the plays I take. So I post all of the plays I take. And if you want to join that, if you want that extra help, then consider that offer. But for CCIV, broke this down just at the beginning. I wouldn't take this one, guys. This one is, it's just too much for me. It's been halted. It got halted twice today. It's just a lot of hype, and that just scares me. So this is just hype based. I wouldn't get stuck in this at the top just because someone told you, on YouTube or Facebook that it's going to $100. No. I'd let it do its thing. I'd wait for it to play out. I mean, I can't really chart this one out just because it's irrational. It's solely based off of hype. It got halted twice today. So, guys, if you're playing this one, just understand what you're getting in. It's not safe, in my opinion. Brian, let me do your cheesecake. Ooh, wow. Look, last time I tried this one out, it's been breaking out. So we found support right here at 40.93. This one just looks like a healthy pullback. As long as it stays above 40.93, this one will be fine. By any chance, yeah. Sorry, I did feel sorry. Airbnb. And like I said, guys, I'm trying to get to all of yours. Hopefully I can. So just be patient with me. Can we get your name? My name is Will. Okay, let me write this one down for you. Airbnb, what happened? It found support right at my magical purple line. Where did we bounce back up? We bounced right there. So as long as we stay above 164.99 or 165, just a penny, 165, we will be bullish. That was an actually amazing dip buy. So if you were able to capitalize on that, congratulations. Let's see. Workhorse. So Workhorse, what happened with Workhorse? It's just been this slow rejection. I wouldn't buy it till 22.59. That's where it looks like Workhorse is heading to. Let's see. Surf. What happened? We pulled back on this today. So this is just completely normal. This is a normal pullback, guys. We have support right here, 1136. We pull back. So as long as we stay above 1196, we are bullish on this one. Can you get a prediction on the NFL games this weekend? Who's playing? I get so busy with, this and all that, and I don't even know who's playing. I know my favorite NFL team is the Green Bay Packers, so I want them to win. Let's see. I'm scrolling up, guys, to see if I can get some of your other stocks I missed. So do you expect Frsx to continue rallying? Well, let's look at it again. Yeah, if it can hold above 790, hold above it, it will continue to rally. Zom, what's been happening with this one? It pushed up, got rejected. Now it's kind of basing out right here. So this is what I like to see after a stock has a massive push up. It's basing out. It's not doing any more erratic movement. So as long as we hold 94 cent, and if we get above 107 cent, we will be bullish. But right now we're consolidating, which is perfectly fine. Like I said, guys, just be patient with me. I try to get to all your stocks. I can't get to all of them because, like I said, there's just so many. But I'll try to do my best. And that's why I was saying, if you want to join my membership program, that's more on a personal level. And then, obviously, I'll be able to break down all of your stocks there. So this one literally went support to resistance today. So as long as we hold 24 cent, we'll be fine on this one. Bind. Bind. Let me get that out of the way. It just gapped up yesterday, just huge move, kind of based out here, found buyers right here at a support line, and then it's just really rocking and rolling. So this one looks super bullish to me. If it can break above 144.59, then we'll go far. Because look, we were in this consolidation range for a while, consolidating. We gapped down, got underneath it, came right back up to it, and what's happening? We're about to break out again. This is just a brief pause, and I think we'll break out on this one. If not, we'll come back down to 136. SBE, sure. SBE, oops. This was actually, I did this for a membership. SBE, what happened? We kind of turned around. We've been pushing up. We were unable to hold this level, so what happened? We fell down. I'd be a buyer at $40, so that's where I buy it. MP, same scenario, holding support at 30.90. As long as it can hold support at 30.90, which it is doing, it'll be completely fine. Jags. This one's in that middle territory. I honestly personally wouldn't touch it at 266, so I don't like touching it between this middle to support resistance. I either wait for it to break down to 266 or get above 374 and play the breakout play. Thoughts on Cron? Okay. Cron, as long as it holds 1077, I think it will. I think that if it holds above 1077, I think it'll be fine. Someone said, "Why should we trust you and not others with Neo?" I'm actually asking if you can give a concrete answer. David, what do you mean by that, man? It's ultimately your money, so you're the one who makes that buy or sell button. You shouldn't trust anyone with your money, so it's ultimately your decision to hit that. I'm just here giving advice, price levels that I buy at and that I'm watching. So at the end of the day, I wouldn't want you trusting me with your money. So that's just a tip for any YouTuber or for anyone. Don't trust anyone with your money. You've earned that money. So if someone's telling you to buy something, then stay away from those type of people. I only tell y'all the levels I'm watching and where I would buy it. I never say buy it now. You know, you can ask the memberships, people in my Discord server. I never tell people to go buy this stock, because at the end of the day, you worked hard for that money, so you should be the one responsible for, you know, hitting the buy and sell button. I'm just here to help you look at the levels I'm watching, the levels that I would buy at. So like you said, you shouldn't trust me. I'm just giving you the levels, and I do chart these out, do technical analysis. So at the end of the day, it's still on you to make that decision. I'm here to help you, you know, get an understanding of the market. So that's my job here for you, man. All right, let's get back to that. But for Neo, so like I said, I personally think it's coming down to $53. Does it have to? No, but I've been talking about Neo selling off pretty much the whole week. You can look at my YouTube videos starting from Monday. I said, hey, it looks like we're selling off, and then we got that sell off to $59, and then we got below 57, and so yeah, so I think the $53 mark is a good mark to buy at. That's where I would personally buy it. Let's see, Fubo. I know a lot of people have been calling out Fubo. Also, thank you. Someone just signed up for the membership. So like I said, if you want these private live streams like this, join my membership. Link in the description below. First, join my free Discord, and then you can join up the membership through there. But thank you for who just joined the membership. Like I said, I'll try to get through to your stuff. Risso, thank you, man. Risso, thank you. You just made my night. Devon, so you asked where do we sign up. So what you do, join my free Discord, link in the description below, and then I have a membership tab right here, and you can either go through PayPal or my website, and then you get my private chat with all the other members. We have 40 members, over 40 members. They get to know my plays, and then they get to call out stocks like you are doing right here. So let's get back on track with this. So if you want to join this after the stream, you can join my membership. So Fubo, guys, a lot of y'all have been asking me about Fubos. A lot of people been asking me about this. I think it's coming back down to $30. I think that is a strong support. So as long as we can hold that support area, we will do completely fine. Apple. So I'm actually an Apple, guys. So let me pull up the play I did on Apple. So I'm actually down on that, but I did average on that. So let's see. I actually took Apple yesterday. Let me scroll back up to it. That's AMD. So I took this Apple call. So I'm down on it right now, obviously. I averaged down, then I picked up some more. So I'm actually an Apple holding this. I got a couple weeks out. And then I'm not scared of Apple whatsoever. I think it's going to do good for earnings as long as we can hold 126.32. I think we'll be fine. But I got 6 calls on Apple, so I'm pretty deep in it. Got about 4,000 in calls alone. So I think we'll do pretty good for earnings. I think we're about to have an earnings run up on tech. Devon, yes, you can cancel anytime you want, man. There's no contract or anything with this. QS. Guys, like I said, I'll try to get to your tickers. I'm just, if I miss it, I'm completely sorry. But if I miss it, then just repeat it, okay? So QS, this one had this move up last week, and it's just been slowly dying off. So 47.56, as long as we can hold 47.56, that's where I'll be looking for a buying opportunity. NVCM. Oops. Did I type that right? NVCM. I'm sorry, I guess something that was a ACTC. This one looks like it had some news on it, so I'd be very careful on this one, but we do have support here at 25.14. Let's see, we have a resistance here at 26.31, so it's actually acting as a support. So as long as we stay above 26.31, we'll be fine on this one. So someone asked Xpeng what it didn't stay above 48.06, so let's take a look at Xpeng. And then I will do bingo for you guys. Xpeng, let's see what it did in after hours. Did it do anything? No, so that news didn't affect it. Whatever news came out, what was the news? Because it didn't have much of a reaction. But I'm still bullish on this one. It didn't get rejected much. Even though I said it needs to get above 40.06, it didn't do that. But notice how over here that we rejected instantly came screaming down. Same over here. So that's why I'm not alarmed about this. We didn't get that instant sell off, even though we got underneath it. So as long as XP can get back above that, I'll be fine on this one. Tesla. Sure, I got you, man. Fun fact, I'm actually coming out with a Tesla video tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a Saturday video. So I hope y'all can take your time and enjoy that video. How long have you been trading? 4 years. And then recently, probably 1.5 years for like really full time. So Tesla, I talked about in the video that's coming out, it needs to hold 815. If it fails to hold 815, it's coming back down for the dip by 754, and I really like it at 754. So that's where I'd like it. 754. Now, if it stays above 815, it needs to get above 834, and we are bullish. Is membership in Discord the same? Devon, so for the membership, join the free Discord in the description, and then in the Discord server, the free, if you want to join my membership, hit the membership tab, and then you get this private chat with us. You get like my plays, the call out, and then the nightly streams. So that's the difference. So you get the private part of the Discord. So I have a free Discord that everyone can join. If you want to join that, completely fine. Join that. Then I'm active in here as well. And this is the free portion, and this is the membership portion. Let's get some more. Bingo. Yeah, so I'll do don't worry, I'll do what's it called? Mar for you. So Mar, we're on the very, or sorry, this is bingo, my bad. Bingo, we're on the very support right here on bingo. As long as we hold 841, we'll be fine. If not, I'd have my stop loss very tight. I would probably have it to $7, $8. If not, I'd be a buyer here at 653. Mara. So this is going to be dependent really on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin dips, I do want Mara at $20. $20 is the sweet spot for me. So look for the dip buy here at Mara at $20, but that's all dependent on how Bitcoin does. Guys, we got 73 people in here. Thank you for being here. If you haven't, make sure to hit that like button. Truly appreciate it. NVCN. Devon, no problem, man. Let me know. Let me know if you need help, and I'm glad to have you. I'm glad to have all of y'all, even if y'all just joined the free Discord. Love to have y'all part of it. NVCM. Let's see. NVCM, as long as we hold 119, we'll do fine. If not, we're coming back down to 110. ATIX. Oh, AITX, my bad. AITX. So we had this gap up. This one's going to be difficult. So this one's a really cheap penny stock. So we have a support right here. We have a resistance right here. So we need to get above this area right here. Any insights on NEO today? It got below the support right here at $57, so it's most likely heading back down to $53.69. That's just my opinion, but it looks like that dip is coming, and that'll be perfectly fine. I mean, this thing had this massive run up, so that dip would not faze me. What do you think of Don Fron? Actually, he is one of the people that really influenced me the most. So, I watched him. I've been watching him. I've been following Don Fron down for 3 years. So he is one of the people that I really learned the most from. So I'd consider him one of my mentors. So I really have a lot of respect for him. ACER. ACR. So what happened today? It got rejected right here at 440. I'd look for a pullback down here at 358, and obviously I had my stop loss here at 350. But I'd be very careful with this one. Wouldn't want it breaking below 350. If it does, it's coming to 295. Fuel cell. Yeah, I did fuel cell in the beginning, but I'll do that again. So right here, what happened? We tried to push up, got rejected, confirmed that resistance. So I'd look to buy fuel cell at $15. What was the entry point on bingo again? Sure, Mellow. So the entry point on bingo, if it falls below 841, I would want to buy bingo at 653. So if it falls below 841, entry point 653. Don Fron, DONFRON. AMC. Sure. AMC, ooh, this one's been taking a hit because of the pandemic. So this is going to be doing, I would not touch this ticker at all because it's going to do this right here until something happens. Until something happens with the COVID situation and they can reopen theaters, but I would not touch this stock because you're just going to get frustrated with it. CTRM. Yes, I got you. CTRM. So we broke below the support right here at 34 cents. So I would be a buyer at 29 cents. You don't look at after hours? Creators, I do. It just all depends, but not when I'm charting, no. Because there's a lot of low volume in after hours. It's really easy to move. So after hours is not really, I don't really pay attention to be honest with you. Only if there's a huge catalyst, like I mean something big coming out. But other than that, no, I don't look at after hours. Do my charting. GameStop. This is another one that's been kind of been hyped up. So I would honestly be a buyer here at 31.92, but I'd be very cautious with GameStop here. SPE went over this one, so it got rejected today right at our resistance line, acted as a support over here at 42.94, got rejected, so it's most likely heading to $40. CLW. Is that how I read that right? CLWD. I can't try this one. This one is really low volume. So yeah, this one's I don't know what this one is. I can't do this one. I'm sorry. What's your recommendation on ARC ETFs? Oh my goodness. I'm in all of them. I'm in all of them. Like I'm literally in all of them. Hold on. Did I post a screenshot here in the mentorship in my? Let me. So I'm going through the membership tab to show you. I posted a screenshot. Wait, I got a better way. I actually have a screenshot of it. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to pull it up. Yeah. So I'm in all of the ARC ETFs. So ARC-Q, ARC-F, ARC-G, and ARRK. I think I'm missing one of them though, ARC-W. And guys, I'm super excited about another one they're coming out with. It's called ARC-X. It's gonna be with space exploration, guys. They're going to have a space exploration one. So that's really exciting. That's why we saw SPCE jump up. So that's just my whole thing. I'd recommend ARC though. I'm a really big advocate about that. All the members know that. I'm really big into them. ISR. So as long as it holds this support right here at $2, which is kind of hanging on to, it needs to hold above $2. If not, I'd be a buyer here at most likely 166. Someone said, "Are you bullish or bearish next week?" I'm bullish. CLOV wouldn't touch this one at all. It just IPO'd. So we need to hold the support right here at 1325. ATRL. Did I read that one? ATRL. I don't know. I can't find that one. Dogecoin. Doge. Let's find some support on Doge here. So we have support right here, and then we have resistance right here. So bullish above this, needs to hold this level. Right now it's kind of consolidating. This is, what are you actually checking for here? I'm reading the support and resistance lines with technical analysis, my man. Which ARC you got? I got all of them. HMI. We got support right here. A lot of buyers came in right here, and then we got a resistance line right here at 1409. So bullish above. I'd be a buyer here at 1292. What's the app you're using for charting? It can take courses. Mike, this is TradingView, and when you say take courses, do you mean from me or in general? If you're asking from me, I do have a course. If you join the membership, you do get it for free though. So that's another perk of joining the membership, guys. I'll give out a coupon code after this stream in the private membership chat. So if y'all join the membership tonight, I'm gonna put a coupon code in there for my course for free, and it teaches you all about what I know about charting. Will you do OCGN? Yes, Ethan. Also, welcome, my man. Don't worry, Ethan. Normally you would have priority over everyone here, because you're a member. Because I normally just do this private, but this is public, so that's why I guess I missed yours earlier. I'm sorry for missing yours, Ethan. But welcome to the membership. Ethan joined yesterday. So 212, it needs to hold this level right here. As long as it can hold 212, then we'll be fine on this one, Ethan. Let's see. We have a resistance right here at 241, so it needs to get back above 241 for it to be bullish. And then once it gets above 241, then our next resistance is here at 280. Neo, please. Sure, I did Neo earlier. I posted a video about that, so if you want more in depth on that, I'll do a quick summary on it. So it sold off today. It was unable to hold $57, so I think it's heading back down to $53.69. Like I said, I posted a really in-depth video on Neo, so go ahead and check that out after the stream. Piton. Are you going to buy the new IPO Tuesday? Roblox? Oh, what my strategy is for all new IPOs, I let them settle. I let them do their thing. Normally they have a massive gap down. Or they have a massive up, like it's a lot of hype, then they just sell off. Peloton, it's really on the edge right here. So this 158, it needs to get back above it. If not, I'd be a buyer here at 144. Yeah, Dario, definitely, my man. Is ARC maintenance fee priced in for the price of the share? Or do I have to? Mellow, I think it's if you buy through their website. I don't think there's a maintenance fee if you do it yourself, like if you buy from your own brokerage. I'm not 100% sure on that. You would have to research it, but I do not think so. I think it's only if you buy through their website. I could be wrong though. So if anyone knows more about that, then correct me if I'm wrong. So FUSE needs to hold this level for us to be bullish again. We need to get back above 1206. So 1153, if that's support, if we break, then we're heading back down, most likely to right here at 1114. We have a resistance here at 1206. TLSS. TLSS, we pushed up, sold off massively. Where we find a support, this one's also a little harder because it's just a penny stock. So support here at 59 cent. Where would I say it would be bullish? It needs to get above this right here at 71 cent. NMTR or APXT. Sorry. This one I think is heading back down to $15. Notice that we pushed up, got rejected, was unable to hold above 17.28. So I think we're heading back down to 15.09. So 123, need to hold that area. We have a strong resistance here at 133. So 123 needs to hold that area, break above 133 for us to be bullish. Nvidia. Oh, I've been looking for the dip buy on this one. I really want it right here at 511. If it gets down to 511, that's where I'm personally buying at. So I'm waiting. It looks like it's going to head back down to there. So 511 is where I'm buying at. Facebook was the only one that actually stayed green today. So Facebook bounced here at this support line and it just trailed up. So Facebook looks like it's heading back up to 255. Guys, thank you all for being here. Appreciate all the support. And if I'm unable to get to your stock, I do apologize, but I'll try my best. And if you want to work with me on a more personal level, join my free Discord server, then join my membership. I do these live streams for them every single night, and they get that, private sessions with me. So if you need a little extra help and you need help with your charting and all that, I'm here for you. And they also get to know my plays. So 1312. I think it's going to hold 1312. As long as it holds that, I am bullish on this one. We have a resistance here at 1393. ACTC, got you. ACTC, so as long as it holds this right here at 26.28, we are bullish. If not, it's coming back down to 24.14. Thank you guys for all tuning in. Appreciate it. We got 91 of you in here. Appreciate it. So bingo, broke this one down earlier. As long as it holds 841, it will be fine. If not, it's coming back down to 653. Plug, sure. No problem, guys. Thank you for being here. Appreciate all of the support. Sky, thank you. Appreciate it. Plug, I talked about this earlier. It held the support in the beginning of it held the support at the beginning of the day, then it got rejected. So I'm not buying plug to 53.86. So BNTX, same scenario, got below support. If it's unable to get back above 102.36, then it's probably heading back down to 97. Someone said, can you give details on your membership when you get a chance? Sure, man. So hopefully this clears it up for a lot of people. So in my description below, in the link, there's a link to join my free Discord. So I have a completely free Discord. All of y'all can chat in here. You don't have to pay for it. For the membership program, if you want to join it, hit the membership tab or DM me. And then with that, you get a private chat. So all of the members we have, as you can see, over 40 people in here, actually 50 people in here. You get my plays. So whenever I take a play, whenever it may be, I post the exact play. And then they call out stocks like y'all guys are doing right now. And then every night before market opens, so 5 days a week, I will live stream for them for an hour like I'm doing here with you guys. So that's what the membership consists of. If you like how I do things with my streams and you like how I chart things and you just want a more personal level, then the membership is definitely for you. Like I said, they get the private chat, they get my plays, and then they get the private streams. So that's pretty much sums up the membership. Hope that answers a bunch of y'all's questions. So someone said, is this after hours trading? No, it's not. It's market's closed right now. I'm just breaking this down and doing a Friday night session for everyone on YouTube. I got a lot of subscribers today, so thank you. I was just doing this as a thank you stream just to help you guys out with your charting and your stocks. So the market's actually closed and it won't actually open back up to Tuesday. So for this one, got rejected at 220. Looking for it to find support 197. If it fails to do that, then I'd look to buy the dip here at 181. Sundial. Sure. Sundial, what happened? Push up today. Where do we find support? Right at my magical yellow line. As long as we hold 70 cents, we will be fine. So you said every night before yes. So every night. So like if market opens on, let's say market opens on Monday, I live stream that Sunday night. So Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night. And then I don't live stream on Friday night because market's not open Saturday. So the night before that the market's open. So Sunday through Thursday, and then if the market's closed, so like Martin Luther King Jr. is closed because of that day, it's closed. So I'm not going to live stream Sunday night, which I normally would. I'm going to live stream Monday night. Can we rewatch this video later? Yes, you can, Mary. I'll be posting this. And I also post all of my membership live streams as well. So if you're in a different time zone or you can't make it, then I upload those as well. So you get those every night as well. So those guys have like a huge library of all of my live streams. So there's like, I don't know, like 30 or 40 of them in there right now. So SOL, it's been holding above the support. As long as we hold above 21.81, we will be bullish. We have a resistance here at $25. We need to get above that. But support, as long as we hold that, we will be doing completely fine. Have you done check? No, I have not, but I'll do that for you. So check, not doing a whole lot of anything. 163 right here. Needs to hold that. If we're unable to hold that, we will fall back down, but it's holding strong right now. We have resistance, obviously, here at 190. If we get above that, we will be bullish. OGN. I'm going to blast through these guys so I can get to everyone's really quick. So it needs to hold 90 cent. If it doesn't, then it's heading back down to, where is this? 75, 76 cents. And if we get above this, then bullish above 101. SE, this one's actually been pushing up quite a while. Where's a support? Right here at 224.37. Looks like we're holding it. Where's our resistance line at? Right here at 230. If we hold this line, then get it back above resistance, we will be bullish. But if we break below 224, then we're most likely heading back down to the support here at 212. Lee Auto. Thank you for being here, Darren. Thank you all, guys. I appreciate all y'all being here. Yeah, man. Thank you. If you decide to join the membership, we'll be glad to have you, man. So join the free Discord, link in the description below. And then if you need help joining it, DM me or just at me. So yeah, thank you for being here. So Lee Auto got below support at 33.54. So it looks like it is heading back down to 31.41. So that's where I'd look to buy it at, 31.41. Definitely 31.41 is where I'd be looking to buy this one at. Notice that we got below support, so 31.41. So XPing, I'll just go ahead and do this order for everyone new tuning in. So as long as we hold XPing, or as long as we get back above 48.06, we will be bullish on XPing. If not, it's coming back down to 43.68. Tesla. Oops. Tesla, talked about this in the beginning. I'm actually having a video that's coming out on this. As long as we hold 815, then we'll be doing fine on Tesla. We have a resistance here at 834, bullish above that. If we break below 815, then 754 is coming. Oops. What's that? CRSP. CRISPR, it got rejected today. Looks like it's coming back to 196. Would be a buy there. That's an amazing dip buy. So 196 is where I'd be looking to buy. We do have a resistance at 209.90. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Sorry, Steve. I didn't mean to skip over yours. Like I said, I got so many people. I'll check that one out right now. Like I said, if I miss your guys' stock, I don't mean to. It's not intentional. I just got 90 people in here, so it's hard to get all of them. But that's why I said, guys, if you really need help, join my free Discord. You can just join the free part, and I'll be there for you. And then I have a membership program where I do these live streams like I am doing right now. So 46.52, that's where I look to buy it at. It looks like we are probably going to be heading back down to that. Now, if we don't, it may break out above 47.75. American Airlines, sure. AAL, this got rejected right at my resistance line. Came screaming down. Would be a buy here at 15.15. SOS, wouldn't touch this one personally. It's just a penny stock. Gets pumped up, dump, pumped up, dump. So we do have a support though right here at 218. So if anything, it needs to hold that. Then we have a strong resistance right here at 256. TDOC, I actually like what this one's doing. So it had this massive push up. It held the support right here. As long as we can hold the support right here, we will be fine. And then we have this strong resistance right here at 229.34 that we need to get above. So as long as we can do that, it'll be fine. What's good, man? Glad to have you here. Dropbox, sure, Steve. Glad to have all of y'all here. Dropbox, $22. It held that to a T today. Look, we hit that twice. There's actually someone in my membership group. He actually has been calling that one out a lot. Dropbox, yeah, Dave. So Dave's been calling Dropbox out. He's in the membership, so I've been literally every night I go live with them, and then I've been charting this one out and following it with him. So we talked about this last night. I said if it gets rejected right here, it's coming back down to $22, and it did today. So Dave, if you're in here, which I'm pretty sure you're not, but man, it held support right here. So as long as it holds $22, we will be fine on Dropbox. Baba, yes, I will do Baba. Baba, it gapped up today. Well, not gapped up today, but it gapped up on Thursday, and now it's kind of consolidating right here. So we actually do have a mini support right here. As long as we can hold this level at 242.66, it will be heading back up to 254 though. Let's see. Talked about this one. This one had a massive push up today, so I think this is just a pullback to cool off. As long as it can hold or get right back above 70.90, this will be heading back up. POWW. This one looks like it's been hyped up as well, so I'd be very careful. We have support here at 651, then we have a strong resistance right here at 729. So this is your range. Buy at 651 and look out for the breakup 729. Palantir. Guys, we got over 100 people in here. Thank you for tuning in. Just doing this nightly, or just doing this Friday night stream. So thank you for being here, guys. Appreciate all the support. Palantir. So this one, I actually recorded a video for this one as well. That's coming out tomorrow. So all of y'all, I broke down Tesla many times before. So if you need to rewind it, but I have a video coming out for Tesla as well. And I also have a video coming out with Palantir tomorrow as well. So I'll still go ahead and break down. I'll break down this one. So Palantir, I actually like Palantir as long as it holds 25.63. It is bullish, but we do have a strong support right here. So we have a strong support right here at 25.53. We have a strong resistance here at 28.14. So yeah. Hello, you've been in the streams every night till like 2 a.m. What's up? Bro, do you live stream once a week? Which day and time? Good question, my man. So for YouTube, it's kind of random, but for my membership group, for my membership group, if you want to join my membership group, join my free Discord, link in the description below on this video. And then once you join the Discord, then I have a membership tab. And for this group, I go live with them 5 days a week, every day before market open. So I do the exact same thing I'm doing with you guys, where they call out their stocks and I live stream with them every single night, 5 days a week. And then, like I said, if you miss it, I upload it. So they also get to know my play. So that's something to consider as well if you want these nightly streams like this. Just found your channel, we'll join your Discord. Awesome, thank you for being here. Neo, so a lot of people have been asking about Neo as well. Neo made a video about this, really went in depth, but short story. Needs to hold this support here at 56.94. If it's unable to do that, which it didn't hold it, I think it's coming to 53.69. ARTL. So it's been consolidating right here at 95 cents. We have a resistance here at 101 cents. So right now we're kind of consolidating, bullish above, bearish below. Went over Apple earlier as well. I do like the dip. I'm heavy in Apple right now. Got a lot of Apple calls. So as long as we can hold 126, then we'll do completely fine. Let me guys really quick. I'm gonna break down Dustin. He's a member. I see him in the stream. He called out some stocks, like I said. So he calls out stocks, or basically all the members call out stocks, and I break them down. So I'm gonna go over Dustin's callouts right quick. I saw him in here, and gotta look after Dustin because he's a really great guy as well. So WDC. So these are Dustin's callout guys. So it pushed up today, got rejected at 51.75, but this one looks completely bullish to me. Look, notice it pushed up, kind of based out, pushed up, kind of based out. So this one looks like it's going to break up. What time frame is that? I'm on the 4 hour because I'm a swing trader. If I day trade, I'll go down to the 15-minute, but most of my trades are on the 4 hour. Another one that broke out. So we have a resistance right here, and then we have a support right here. So 1021, resistance here at 1077. This one looks completely bullish, Dustin. I look for entry right here at 1077. Yes, I did that stock already, Sky. SM, this one looks like it's got rejected today, so I would be a buy here at 810. We got rejected by 866, so I'd buy here at 810. NRG, what happened with this one? So as long as we can hold support right here, then we'll do completely fine, which we did. And then we got above resistance here at 40.54. As long as we hold above that, we'll do fine. PGNY. PGNY. So it's been on this solid uptrend. 43.70 is a strong support. We have a resistance here at 48.04. This one looks extremely bullish. So intraday, where would I want to buy at? Let's go down to the 1 hour because you can't really see anything on the 4 hour because it had that huge green candle. I'd look for a pullback right here at 46.80. So as long as we hold that, then we'll be fine. So right here at 46.80, pull back down there and hold it. VSAT. So VSAT, as long as it holds above here, 38.58, it has been, so that'll be doing completely fine. So I would not be worried about this one. AES, ooh, this one's doing amazing as well. Strong uptrend. Let's chart out some lines on this one. So support here at $27. We have another resistance here at 27.33, and then we have another resistance here at 27.78. So it needs to get above that. Will you share option trades in the membership? Divine, yes I do. I do share option trades. Right, I do option trades myself. So yo, Young, you gotta come out, man. But let's see. So like I said with AES reversing, so 27.33. That's where I'd buy the dip on this one, Dustin. But I wouldn't be too worried about this one. Art funds when you have time. Dario, yes. Don't worry, I'll get to it. Razor, don't spend like that, bro. But you said is Neo hold or sell? Well, that all depends on you. Depends on your goals. What your goals is for Neo. If you're a long term investor, then obviously hold. But as long as it stays right where it stands right now, I think it's coming back down to 53.69. So 53.69 is where I look for a pullback, and I look to go long there. What's up, Bill? How you doing today, man? And guys, sorry if I can't get to all of your calls. Like I said, chat's going pretty fast. Tesla Neo was doing the world. What do you think about AFRM? More people need more help. Well, let's look at the chart. So I am a technical trader. Affirm. This one just IPO'd. I mean, if you're buying this one is obviously based off of hype or news. So I'd wait for this one to play out a little. But if you're in this because of fundamental reasons, go ahead for it. Did you use No, I don't even know what IZEA is. I've never even heard of that. Fuel cell. Did fuel cell earlier. Fuel cell looks like it's heading back to $15. So that's where I'd be a buyer at. APXT. APXT. This one looks like it's heading back down to as long as it heads back down to $15, that's where I think it's heading. I'd buy it there. Do you mind taking a look at Asana? Sure. What's the symbol for that? Got you. Asana, this one's been on an amazing up run. Support here at 36.81. I look for a pullback entry here at 38.15, but this one looks amazing. Wouldn't fight the trend. Trend is your friend as long as it stays up, which it's doing. So as long as it does that, then it'll be completely fine. So if you're looking for a pullback entry, 38.15 would be where I'd be looking at. JD, sure. Appreciate everyone tuning in, guys. We got 100 of y'all in here. Thank you. JD, it looks like it's heading to 86.24. So JD would be a buyer at 86.24. Jumia. Guys, after I end this stream, or before I do, go ahead and join my free Discord server. It's completely free. If y'all need help, you can talk to me in there. And then, so if y'all need help, join that. And then if you won't join my membership program where I have these nightly live streams like this, then you can consider that as well. So Jumia have held support right here at 42.81. As long as it holds that, this one looks really strong. PayPal, yeah, PayPal. Art just bought it, so expect something to happen with this one. So as long as we hold this support 237, Art bought it. Art bought it. So as long as we hold 237. Can I message you directly? TMB. Promo. Guys, so the link should be in the description of this live stream to join my free Discord server. So, it's a free Discord server. So once you join the free Discord server, then you can look at how to join the membership program. Or DM me. Just as long as you join the free Discord server, then you have access to DM me, and then you can see how to do that. But the link to the free Discord server is in the description. So it's in the description of this live stream. Scroll down. It says Discord, free Discord. Join that, and then once we get done with the stream, then y'all can DM me. What time frame are you using? I think I answered that one already. 4 hour. 4 hour time frame. CCIV. I went over CCIV earlier. So just rewind it once I get done with this. And don't worry, guys, I will be uploading this stream as well, so you'll be able to rewind it and watch it, over the weekend if you want to study up on my charts, if you want to look at my levels. Don't worry, I'll be uploading this stream. SBE, so as long as we hold support right here at $40, then I think we'll be doing fine. You were just using support and resistance. Yeah, that's how I trade. I don't use any indicators. I just solely watch price action. So I watch where the buyers and sellers are, and that's how I formulate my levels. As you can see, that's where they typically fall. I buy at support and I hold all the way through. I use a stop loss, trail it up, and I either sell at resistance if I see it's getting rejected, or I play the breakout. So I buy at support, and all the members know that, and it works out for me. So I don't really use indicators because, well, they're not for me. Pfizer, what's Pfizer symbol? PF. Is it PF? IZRE? Got you. Oops, this is the wrong one. What's Pfizer symbol, guys? There we go. Got it. Pfizer. Okay. Finally. So this one's just been consolidating for a while. This one had that hype because of the vaccine news, and it's just been really in this tough range right here between 36.53. So support is at 36.53. We have our resistance here at 37.44. So as long as we hold that, then we should be fine. Promo, you just joined the free Discord. Awesome, man. Like I said, or sorry if you're a girl, but so as long as you yeah, I'll talk to you afterwards. In NDM. Mike. I don't know anything about it, and I can't talk about it if I don't know anything. So maybe I'll research it after the stream, and then I'll get back to you on that. Like I said, I can't talk about something I don't know about. In NDM, as long as this one I'm holding long term. So, but we did get rejected right here at 10.49. Then support right here is at 10.49. Bro, since your Discord isn't free, isn't it better to do a live chat here like now? It would benefit more people like I do have a free Discord. The membership is for people who want extra help. So my time is valuable as well. What I provide is valuable. I work with them privately, so that's why I have that private group. They get that extra help. But I do post videos on YouTube, as y'all can see, 2 or 3 times a day. I do have a free portion of the Discord, so the membership is just something for where I go live with them, and work with them on a more personal basis. So by any means, you don't have to join the membership. I do have a free Discord. So guys, if you don't want to join, that's fine. I have a free portion. But the membership is for people who want the extra personal help and want these nightly live streams. Let's see. Anyone can draw support and resistance, but we know there's more to doing that. You're acting like every trade is a winner. Savage, what do you mean by that? Can you elaborate on that? Every trade isn't a winner. I don't put on a show like every trade is a winner. And if you're in the membership group, you would know that. You would see my win rate. Or you can ask any of them. If them are in here, you can ask any of them my win rate. And then that may surprise you, but I keep it simple. And yes, anyone can draw support and resistance lines, but are those the correct levels? Or are those levels that where stocks typically fall at? I mean, that's really dependent on you. But you're right, anyone can draw them. Anyone can take the trade. Put your money where your mouth is, man. If you want to pull out a chart and draw up your lines and you take that trade, go for it, man. I mean, I draw these levels for a reason. That's where I buy it, and my win rate is pretty high. Aurora Cannabis. Sure, I'll do that for you. ACB. So it's getting rejected here at 12.21. We got rejected right here, and then I think most likely since we got rejected right here, we'll be heading down to 11.21. Hey man, just got here. Can you give me a quick neo summary? Summary? Sure, man. I got you.
You had Frsx for months. I made $20. Awesome. How many shares you got? Neo, I've talked a video about this today. So as long as we hold the support right here at $57, which I was talking about, we didn't, then we're probably heading to $53. What you're doing is elementary. There is no charge for that. Savage. If it is, man, then good. You do you, bro. Like, if it was elementary, then anyone would be making money on the stock market. And that's totally not true. You hop on a chart and you find and you draw levels, and then you can take your trades based off of that. But I take the trades based off my level. I'm not here trying to impress anyone. I'm doing these videos and these live streams to help y'all out. And if you been watching my levels and you've been following my videos, you can see I'm pretty accurate. You can look at my past YouTube videos and look at the levels I call out, and then you can watch the next day what happens to the stock. And 90% of the time that happens. So I don't have to explain myself to anyone. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm not doing it for the money or for anything. I'm doing it because I'm trying to help you guys out. And then the day, you have your levels, you have your ways of trading, and if that makes you money, good job, man. But this makes me money, so I don't know why you're trying to come for someone who's trying to help someone and draw out these lines. But hey, man, if you're making money and doing it your way, if you call it elementary, then that's good for you, bro. But I'm here to help people out. ISR, so as long as we hold this level right here at 199, which are on the very borderline, then we'll be fine. If not, I'd be a buyer here at 166. ZS. Yeah, I'll do ZS for you. ZS, let's see. We have a level right here at 208.24, and then we have a resistance here at 214. So we got resistance here at 214.49, and then support here at 2808. If we get below 208, then we'll most likely head back down to 200. Yeah, guys, and don't worry, guys. That one guy, whatever Savage is, I'm not worried about him whatsoever, guys. I have oh, Raymond, I wasn't talking about you. That was actually my first real person who I guess got upset. Savage. Then do it. What are you talking? I'm trying to sell. I'm here for free with people. What are you talking about, my man? I said the only thing I offer is my membership, and that's for a more private level. But I post 2 videos a day on YouTube. I have a free Discord server. I'm not trying to sell anything. I make my money off of trading. I don't make my money off of YouTube or my membership. That's a small percentage of what I make. Trading is my career. I do this for a living. So I'm not trying to sell anyone anything. Trust me. If I wanted to, I could charge $80 a month. I could charge $80 a month, right? I only charge, a small fee, and it's not for income. If it was, then I would charge, like $80 a month, but it's not. So, I mean, you got your opinion, and I got mine, bro, but this is how I make money, these lines, and if it's that simple, then do it, man. I mean, I don't know why you're so pressed that I'm up here helping people out charting. I don't really get that. But yeah, that's all. The only time I'm gonna spend. That's the only time I'm gonna spend on you, Mr. Savage, though, because I'm trying to help these guys out. I'll be here for 5 more minutes, guys. Been up here for over an hour now. So AMD, I'm actually in this long. So as long as we can hold this, well, we're not really holding it, but We need to get back above $89, but I'm not too worried about AMD. I am in this long. Savage. No one's being taken advantage of, my man. You can literally, hold on. This is the last thing I'm gonna respond to you, but if they're being taken advantage of, then I mean, you can literally go to my free Discord, look at the testimonials right here, and then you can read these paragraphs, and then you can ask for yourself if I'm taking advantage of them. So that's the only thing I'm gonna entertain for you anymore. But like I said, good try, bro. Good try. Exactly, Julian. I think Facebook's going up. Can you? Yeah. Sorry, I thought you meant my actual Facebook profile. Facebook, it found support here at 245. It bounced here, and then we got resistance here at 255. So as long as we get back above 255, we'll be fine. Which we are climbing back up to. So as long as we get back above that, we'll be fine. CLN, have a strong support here at 822. As long as we hold 822, we'll be fine. We got rejected here at 1077. We do have right here. We do have a support right here, intraday support here at 945. As long as we can hold that, we'll head back to 1077. Someone said, Savage, a penny stock boy. I used to swing trade 20 years ago, started a month ago. You know your stuff. Where'd you learn? What influenced? I've been doing this. So yeah, so guys, I'm gonna end this off. I'm gonna just give you a little backstory, just a quick summary of me. I know a lot of y'all are new, and I'm also going to tell you right now that what Savage was saying, it's elementary to do this stuff. Trust me, it's not. If it was, then 95% of traders wouldn't fail. That's the win rate for traders. But my backstory basically is I've been learning and doing this for 4 years. For now a year and a half, I've been doing it as a job, as income. So I've been doing this for some time, and what he was saying that this stuff is elementary. Trust me, guys. I know it looked simple because I've been doing this for 4 years. So of course it's gonna look simple for me doing this, but if anyone knows that and you've been in the market, you know that it's not simple at all. It's a lot of work and it's really hard to do. But I've had a lot of experience. I've been exposed to the market now for 4 years, and that's just a little backstory on me. Like I said, guys, by any means, I'm not here to sell you anything. I literally post 2 to 3 videos a day, all for free on YouTube. I'm pretty consistent. I probably post one of the most videos on YouTube a day. I mean, I post 2 videos a day. I have a free Discord, and if anyone is in there, anyone that's been following me for a long time knows that I don't do this for the money. If you're in the free Discord, I treat you just as the same as if you're in my membership. The membership is for people that will want to take their trading to the next level, that want that extra private help, and my time is valuable. So obviously I can't provide that for free just because I have a life as well. So my time is valuable. So that's why it's a monthly fee. But by any means, I'm not here for the money. If I was, I'd be charging a fortune for it, but I'm not. I'm here to help you guys out. That's my ultimate goal, and I appreciate every one of y'all being here. Appreciate all of the likes that y'all did on the stream. And like I said, if you're here as a subscriber from the Discord, appreciate all of y'all. And I have a free Discord server, so if you haven't joined that, it's completely free. As long as y'all are here, and I'll keep doing this. So that's what I'm here for. But let's see what some people are saying. What trading platform to use? TradingView. Yeah, it is technical analysis. It's a whole different. It's not easy. It's not elementary like that guy was saying. It's not. you really have to know what you're looking at. You have to know how to read price action. This technical analysis is, you're looking for the story, you're looking where buyers and sellers are. It's a whole lot into it. It's not, just looking, yes, I have lines on the screen, but those lines do mean something. But either way, guys, I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you for being here. If you haven't, go ahead and join the free Discord server. And if you want these nightly live streams, check out the membership tab, join that, or if you need help, DM me. But I do have a free Discord. So either way, guys, thank you for being here. Appreciate all of y'all here. I know I have a lot of supporters. Don't let one guy ruin the whole thing, guys. Either way, thank you for being here. So thank you, guys. Dustin said, I'm very appreciative of his membership. His support second none. Yeah. Thanks, Dustin. He knows he's a member. Thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you probably on Sunday. Or I'm posting a video throughout the whole weekend, so I'll see you all on Monday. Either ways, have a good night.